everyone. This is Dr. Chukka Shantaya, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, class, we discuss about the candidate elimination algorithm with example. In previous session, we had discussed about the what is the meaning of candidate elimination algorithm as well as what is the procedure. Once again, I can give some brief description about the candidate elimination algorithm procedure. Means here we are follow the candidate elimination algorithm mainly concentrate on two parameters. That is about the it considered a positive example as well as negative examples. Whereas come to the find a cell algorithm, we are only focused on specifically in only positive training examples. Whereas come to the candidate elimination algorithm, we are also consider negative examples, negative training examples also in this candidate elimination algorithm. Whenever we can discuss about the candidate elimination algorithm, one more concept is comes across the candidate elimination algorithm. That is about the version space. The version space is nothing but a intermediator or interrelated between the general hypothesis as well as specific hypothesis. Means the version space is nothing but it is a place between the specific hypothesis to the general hypothesis. And the version space contains the collection of hypotheses. So, whenever we discuss a candidate elimination algorithm, whenever you can, and we are focused on negative training examples, then it is generated the version space based on the general specific hypothesis as well as generalized hypothesis. So, once again, I can repeat some few words about the candidate elimination algorithm procedure. Means the candidate elimination algorithm is mainly focused on positive examples as well as negative examples, as I said in the previously. Means, for example, if that value is positive, it is moved to the specific to the generalized one. Means, if example is positive example, from that example, we are move from the generalized means specific to the generalized one. Means we are trying to move the specific hypothesis to the generalized hypothesis. If it is, that training example is positive one. And then, if it is negative, training example is negative. So, in that context, we are moved to the generalized hypothesis to the specific hypothesis. Whereas it is a negative examples. That is thing about. Means, if for example is a positive, we are trying to move to the, means we are first select the specific hypothesis. Then we can solve that, go towards the generalized hypothesis. Whereas come to the, if training example is a negative, we are trying to move the generalized hypothesis to the specific hypothesis. Means we are start from the generalized hypothesis as well as moves to the specific hypothesis. That is thing about the candidate elimination algorithm. Here is some algorithm is there about the some description, some procedure about the algorithm. Means first we can initialize the generalized hypothesis in H, and then we can initialize the specialized hypothesis in H. For each training example, about D is nothing but a training example we can do. Means training, if D means training example, means if training example is positive, we can follow what I say procedure. Means we can take some operation, we can take some example. That example is positive. Then we can follow some procedure. Means about it, we can follow some step. Means we are start with the general specific one and then move to the generalized one. That is the one. Means whenever we can perform some operation about the positive training example, we can simply eliminate. Means if any hypothesis is not consistent, means inconsistent with the example, training example, you can simply remove that from the hypothesis. That is thing out. And then if D means if D is a training example, it is a negative example. What we can do means you can start with the generalized hypothesis and move to towards the specific hypothesis. Means whereas come to the positive example, we are for the top to bottom processor. As well as whereas come to the negative example, we are bottom to top processor. Whereas come to analysis about the hypothesis. That is description about the all things in candidate elimination algorithm. Yesterday previous session, I can give some precision about the each and every statement. Next, we can take example. Example 1. Here, example is nearly 4 instances are there. That is about this example about this, especially enjoy the sports or not. Means we take 4 training examples, 4 instances, means 4 days. And in this training example, we take 6 attributes. Means attributes means sky, temperature, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecasting. Whereas instance is different as well as enjoy sports resultant of the training example. Wherever we check it, means this training example you can check it. The first training example is have some parameters, some attributes or attributes values. That is the attribute value. First is the sky, attribute value is sunny, air temperature is warm, humidity is normal, wind is strong, water is warm, and forecasting is same. Based on these parameter values means attribute parameters is enjoy the water sport. Means it is yes. Means it is yes means it is enjoy the water sport. And then second example means so sky attribute is sunny, air temperature is warm, humidity is high, wind is strong, as well as water is warm, and forecasting is same. It is a means final output is about the enjoy sports. Based on these attribute values, it is also enjoy the water sport. And third instance means sunny, rainy, cold, high, strong, warm, as well as change. So based on these attribute values is not enjoy the sports, means not enjoy the water sport. And then fourth instance, sunny, warm, high, strong, cool, change. And it is also enjoy the water sport. Whenever check these training examples, 4 instances, nearly 3 positive examples are there. Means 3 positive examples are there. 1 negative example is there in the given example hypothesis. Hypothesis. Means first whenever means if enjoy means the water sport is based on some parameters is enjoy the water sport means it indicates about yes means it is about the plus means positive example. And the second one is also S means it is also positive training example. Whereas come to the third it is no means it is represented by the negative example. And fourth one is it is also enjoy the water sport means about the it is positive training example. So finally in this given example there is nearly three positive examples are there and 1 negative example is there. Right. The candidate elimination algorithm is applied for the first 2 training examples. Means why? Because it has some positive example and then second example. Means as a table above. Means as described above, the boundary sets first initialize the generalized hypothesis plus specialized hypothesis. The most general and most specific hypothesis in H respectively. Means first we can start the any and means first we can check it. You can initialize the generalized hypothesis plus specialized hypothesis. Whereas come to the specialized hypothesis, we can initialize means about the S0 in case this specialized hypothesis. Means initially the specialized hypothesis null value means pi as well as pi. Means 1 second ma. Means we can take some example about this generalized hypothesis. Means we can take, sorry, specific hypothesis, S naught, we are represented by null value. Why? Because it is specific initially. This number of attributes are depends on the training parameters, means attribute values. Here 6 is there, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here first parameter is sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast. Means 6 is there. So we can take 6 parameters as a specific. And then we can generalize, means about the second one. So generalize the all hypothesis. Means the general hypothesis represented by the question mark, 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 as well as question mark. Means 6 question mark. This is also depends on the attributes about the given example or data set. That is about the general. Means we can initially we can assign, and then we can start our algorithm process. How it is works. Means when the first training example is presented, it is a positive example. Means when you check first training example is, you can observe it is a positive example. Right. Means the candidate elimination algorithm checks the S boundary and finds the it is overly specific. It fails to cover the positive example. Right. Means in this first example, we can take positive example is there. Means about the first one is positive example. We can compare with the positive example. First one. How it is follows one by one we can discuss. Right. Whenever this one is discussed about the positive example, first one is some attribute values. Initially, it has some specific hypothesis, means S naught is equal to pi null value ma. Next 6 null values. In this tiny example, we can compare with first tiny example. Sunny. Next one is warm. Next one is normal. Next one is strong. Next one is warm. Next one is same. We can compare this one. Means we take from specific hypothesis and we can compare with the given training example. As I said, if anything is compared with null value, that same value is come as a output. Means if any parameter is compared with the null value, it is comes as output. Means is same. Null value with any value sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, as well as same. It has a hypothesis, specific hypothesis 1. Sorry. It is specific hypothesis 1. And G1 is same. Means about the generalized hypothesis about the G1 is same. Why? Because there is no negative examples. G1 is same. And then this is about the specific hypothesis from the example. Then we can compare with this S1 specific hypothesis with the given training example. About the second training example. It is why? Because we can check it is a positive or negative. So automatically it is a positive. So we can check with that all parameters. Means about this one. Means we can check it once again. Why? Because it is a G1 is there. We can there. No changes in the general hypothesis because it is a positive training example. So no changes. So this output is about the S1 first hypothesis specific hypothesis. S1 is compared with the second training example. That is about the sunny. Here is sunny. Means you can check it once again. Just a minute. Sunny is means because about the sunny. Yes. Warm as well as high, strong, warm, same. We can compare with this. Means it is comes about, you can take some example. Means about the same value. Means about the same parameters. It is also sunny, WS, warm is called warm. Whereas compare these two. Means here is normal as well as here is H. I mean high. So if any different two parameters are compared, it is somewhat generalized. Means about the question mark. And here is S. As well as here is W and here is S. Means this one is become as a S2. And generalized means generalized no changes. Why? Because this comes under 6 question marks as this. means G2. That is thing about that. And then means it is about the S2. So then we can check about this S2 is compared with the third training example. That is about the third instance. Rainy means rainy, cold, high, strong, as well as warm, change. And then the final output is negative, means about the no, means it is negative example. Whenever negative example is started, means then negative example, the training example is negative example, we can move from the start from the generalization one, means this one is become as a S3, means here S3 is nothing but S W question mark, means generalization one question mark S W S, means it is become as a S3, right? That is about the S3. Then we can start the third example. Means is about the S3. We are moved to the generalized one. We are observe the generalized one. I can give. Means about the, for example, we can take about the up to means G1 is there initially. G0, G1, G2 is same. When it comes up to some two levels. But when it comes to the third one, first two example means it is up to first two steps. Means about the two training examples about the first day. We can follow the find this algorithm here only. Right. This output about the sunny, warm, question mark, strong, warm as well as same. S3. You can don't means this one keep in mind. This one is S3. So why? Because the third training example is negative. So the S2 is become as S3 and then we can start from the negative example. The type of analysis. We can check it once again. Right. Means about the whenever we discuss about it. It is based on the two training examples. Initially, we analyzed means about the pi symbol, means pi means null. And the first one is first training example. We can compare the same as it comes as a, if anything is compared with the pi value, it comes the same as this. And then means we compare the first example. For example, we can take one more observation about this S0. And then we compare with the S1 means about the parameters values, first parameters values. That is about the sunny, warm, warm, normal, strong, as well as warm and same. We compare with, we can get the second output. That is about the second output. And then we are compared with this one is the second day training is second day means we are compared with this one. Only sunny is there same, sunny is there. When as well as normal and H means third parameters is change. Sunny, strong, warm as well as same. So in this third parameter we can keep as a question mark here itself. Remaining is same as this. Up to two training examples about the S1 as well as S2 means up to generalization means same, no changes. Because for the based on these two training examples. Why? Because it is a positive training example. So like that means the candidate elimination algorithm trace one so means about the generalization, specific and generalized are the initial boundary sets corresponding to the most specific and most general hypothesis. Training examples about the 1 and 2 means about the first training example of second hypothesis, second training example. Force to the boundary become as a more general. It is for the find S algorithm. They have no effect on the general boundary. Means there is no effect on the general boundary. Why? Because both are the positive training examples. So there is no change. Finally, G0 initially is the same as well as G1 is also same as well as G2 is also same. But whenever you can check the third training example means about the we can check two positive examples worst this also and then we can negative means when it comes to the training examples play a major role means complementary role. Forcing the G boundary becomes increase specific. Consider training example we can check it in the figure or table means about the third one. Third table is it is a negative example. Yes, it is negative example. Third table. Right. So this negative example reveals that G boundary of the version space is overly generalized. That is, hypothesis G is incorrect. Incorrectly predicts that this is new example as a positive example. Means when you start with the negative one, and then we can start from the generalization to the means there is a change for the generalized hypothesis. Why? Because it is a negative example. Whereas come to the positive example, only it is comes under the specific hypothesis or the convert to the generalized one when it is positive example. But whenever the negative example starts, there is a changes in the general hypothesis. Why? Because it is start from the generalization. Right. Means the hypothesis G means general boundary must be there specialized until it correctly classifies the new negative example. And then, as shown in the figure, as several alternative, minimally more specific hypothesis. All these becomes members of the new G3 boundary set. We can check it. Means whenever we can come to the third example, that is about the third day. Means about this one is S3. So S3 comes in this one. And we can compare the fourth example. Means about the rainy. Means about the rainy cold high. Means we are compared with the rainy. Rainy means stands for the cold high. Rainy cold high. Strong warm change is the first parameter rainy. Next one is cold high means here is cold, question mark replace means compared with the high, and strong warm change. Strong warm change. We can compare with this. Means why? Because the say S2 is become as S3. Why? Because there is no changes. No? There is no positive to an example. It become as a specific. Means about specific 3 third example. So we can compare this one. When compare these two, we can remember one thing. One logic about it. We can change the G2. Why? Because G2 is something. Means this G2 is this one. Means all question marks means why? Because there is no up to third step. There is no specialization. Means about the G1, G0, G1 is same up to S2. But after third example, this about G1 is G0 is initially G1 is first specific value, specific hypothesis, and G2 is second specific hypothesis. So we can compare with this. Means about the third example, that is about the rainy, cold, high, strong, warm, change in general space. About the result is negative. Means no. It became as an example. We can compare with this hypothesis. Means about the S3. Whereas come to the here, S3 is sunny. Given I was studying example is rainy. Rainy comma sunny is become as a rainy. Means it is become as a some negative. Means whenever you can follow any negative value, it must be pre-identified. Means give some previous one as it is. Means about the this one is. Means here rainy is there as well as sun is there. So because a negative example. So the rainy is replaced by the sunny here. Remaining all question mark. Why? Because it is about only it is parameter compared with the first one. So here we are comparing the remaining is all generalized one. Means we try to specific. We start with the generalized one. Why? Because it is a negative example. So whenever we can start the generalized one with a specific one, we can compare the first. Means about the training, means about the given hypothesis. So in this specific hypothesis sunny, whereas training example is rainy. Means this rainy is replaced by the sunny. Why? Because we try to we start from the generalized one and we can try to more specific. So the negative example is replaced. The negative training parameter is replaced by the positive one. Means specific. Means the generalized training example is replaced by the specific one. That's why it is sunny. Remaining all question marks. Means why? Because about the remaining all. You don't consider. Means about this one. Next, second one. Here is cold. And here is warm. Here is also differentiation. So according to the algorithm about the candidate elimination algorithm, we are means if any we try to generalize to specific. So the cold is here is cold is generalized one is cold as well as specific one is warm. So this cold is replaced by the warm here itself. It is warm. Why? Because first initially we can take it as a question mark, means generalized one. Why? Because in second place we are go to the warm. Why? Because here is second place is there. So we can keep in a second place here itself. Remaining all generalized one, means question marks. And third one means about the, it is warm, means about the high. Means anything high, means you can accept any value. So note that there is no consideration, there is no significance, there is no specific meaning. Why? Because anything is with high, parameter is question mark is it is value. And strong means there is no, means about the same, means about the strong is also no, means no, okay, both are same. There is no any significance, there is no any change. Why? Because when you compare the generalized one as a specific one, both are same, there is no significance differentiation in that. And then warm is there, here is also warm, means there is no any significance here also. Why? Because both training as well as generalized and specific is both values are same, so we can say there is no issue in that. But when compare with this, when is change, means here change, here is same. Means the given example is, training example is change parameter and specific parameter value is same. So it is some differentiation is there. As well as which location, which place it is a differentiation place. So initially we can keep, means up to question mark, generalize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means this change is replaced by the, means this generalized parameter is replaced by the specific hypothesis parameter. Means this generalized training parameter is replaced by the specialized, means specific training example. This is about the yes. Means finally it became as a y. Yes. Why? Because here comes the yes. Right. Means when compared with the G3, as S1 is here, S3 as well as G3, this find one is G3. The candidate elimination algorithm is a negative. Means third example is negative. Example that forces the G boundary to be specialized to the G2. So note several alternative of maximally generalized hypothesis including in the G. Means most generalized hypothesis, means most general. When you compare the G3 most generalized, means about this here is 4 is 5 is there, here is also 5 is there, here is also 5 generalized is there. Most generalized hypothesis is there in G3. Right. So this reason behind this for the means about this one, when you check it. Means next the same example of what we discussed about the previous one, we can this means about it. The reason this hypothesis is exclusively that is consistent with the previously counter positive examples. The algorithm determines this applied by the noting that H is not more generalized and then it is focused. Means in fact specific boundary versus space from the sum of the various things. So when it comes to this training, a fourth training example means about the fourth training example. Here fourth training example we can compare. Means when I check it, fourth training example, that is about the fourth training example. Here is there. Means we can check it. Means this one is completed. Up to first instance is completed, second instance is completed, third instance is completed. We are come to the fourth instances with generalized one as well as specific one. Right. The fourth example is the shown in the figure, means about table for the generalized to the bounded to the Gaussian space. This also result that is removing one member of the G boundary, the general boundary, and because of this member fails to cover the new positive example, there is no any positive examples again there. So the last action results from the first step under the condition is if D is positive example in the given algorithm is shown in the table. And it is also cannot be generalized because by definition of G, any more generalized hypothesis will be cover at least one negative training example. So therefore the hypothesis must be dropped from the G boundary, thereby removing new entire branch of the partial ordering from the Gaussian space of hypothesis remaining under consideration. Yes, we can check it. Means this one is G4. Whereas come to this one, means training example is 4. Means we are compared with the S1. Means here candidate elimination stage C means about the positive training example is generalized S boundary from S to S4. Means why? Because the same comes as this. Why? Because this one is comes as this. Sunny is sunny, warm is warm, as well as question mark. There is no any means very why? Because it is a negative example. Then we come to the fourth one. Means about the strong as well as warm and warm. Means we can compare this. Means we are compare this fourth training example. That is about training example. One member of the G's must be also be deleted because it is no longer more general than the S4 boundaries. Right. Means we are compared the S4, S3 instead about this one. Means Sunny is called sunny, warm is called warm, as well as high is called question mark is warm, high, strong is called strong, cool is cool with strong is warm, and change is with question mark. Means here S3 is there, as well as you can take some training example, fourth training example. Sunny, here is sunny is there, as well as here is sunny is there. So fourth one is sunny. Here is warm is there, here is also warm is there. Then this one is warm. And here is high is there. And here is question mark is the general means here is a question mark. And here is strong is there, here is also strong. So it is also same value. And here is cool, here is warm, means it is question mark. And it is change, here is same, means about the, it is also question mark. Right now. Means when compare this one is, especially, is specific, third specific value, for last value is same. But whereas come to the fourth value, means specific means it becomes a question mark, means generalized one. When a previously I can say one statement about that issue. Means we can start from the specific and we can move to the generalized when it is a positive example. Here is proved. Actually, in S4, sorry, in a specific 3, means specific 3 hypothesis, it is a same, means about the specific, same, fixed. But whereas come to the some, means about the generalization, means about the fourth example, that specific means become as a generalized one. Means our statement is correct as per our analysis. Means it is about the, whenever we can start from the specific based on the positive example, it is comes towards this is converted as a generalized one. That is about the this one. And then we are going to the one more. Means about the G4. Means again we can check it. This one about the G3. Whereas come to the sunny, warm as well as warm. Why? Because we have only two parameters here itself. When compared to previous one is that is about the here itself. Sunny, warm as well as same. Means about generalized one. So we are only two options, sunny as well as warm. Why? Because of the, we can check it. Means there is no change is there in between these two. Here there is change is there. Means there is no stability is there in this one. So we can take only these two. G4 means G4 is called sunny, question mark, generalized, generalized, and generalized, generalized. And is come to second attribute, means about the warm, generalized, 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 generalized. And we'll come to this, compare with this one. Why? Because this one is already there in this question mark. Because about the, once again we can check it in the previous one, G3. This one. We can check it. Same value is there here itself. When it comes to G3. So we can simply remove this. This one. Why? Because the same value is there. So we are only constant these two values in this generalized one. Means the positive example generalize the S boundary, specific boundary from the S2 to S4. Why? Because there is no changes. So it comes on the S2 to S. With an example S4. Means about the fourth one. One member of the G must be also deleted about this one. Means about the generalized one is, can be, actually this value is there. It is deleted. Because it is no longer more general than the specific boundary. Means why? Because there is no more general in the boundary. Yes. Means about the here is more general. No. Because in the previous one is same. Here is different. So it can simply remove this one. And finally you get the sum two values as a generalized fourth one. Right. After processing these four examples, the boundary sets S4 and G4 delimit the version space from of all hypothesis constants with the set of incrementally observed training examples. The entire version space, including those hypotheses bounded by S4 and G4, as shown in the figure, S4 and G4. This learned version space independent of the sequence in which the training examples are presented, because it in the end of the it contains all hypotheses consisting with the set of examples. And then as further training data is encountered, the S means specific and boundaries, general boundaries will be move monotonically closer to each other, delimiting the smaller and smaller version space A by A of candidate hypothesis. Whenever you can check it this one once again. Final output, final hypothesis about the general hypothesis as well as specific hypothesis. Whereas come to this one is, we can generate it. Means, when I compare this one, these two, means about the, this one is S4 as well as this one is, sorry, this one is G4, generalized 4. This one is specific 4. When compare this one, we can do. Means, here two attributive values are there. Means about the generalized one. We can compare the S4. So, whenever these two, we can have some two attribute values. Means about the S, sunny as well as warm. So, this one have some based on two values. Means about the two values. Because here the sunny is there. We can compare with the sunny. And warm is there. Means about the, when you compare this to this example, it has some two values about the sunny as well as warm. So, here sunny is sunny as well as strong. Means about this one. It is generated by the value. Why? Because we are sunny. And then generalized one. If any parameter is generalized, and then it is generalized. When compare this one, means these two is generated from the this one. Means these two values is, this is two values. Means S4 as well as you can compare these two. It's generated by the S0. Why? Because here is two attribute values are there. First, you can start from the sunny. So sunny, generalized means generalized one, strong, generalized one, and we can go to someone sunny means sunny with warm. Sunny comma warm, generalized one means we compare with this one. Means we based on these two we can compare with that and we can generate these two. Whereas come to this one is also means about the warm. Again we can take this one. It means warm about the warm as well as we can take somebody sunny means sunny warm as well as question mark generalized one here is also. And it is finalized means give the one more output about this based on this means about this one is means question marks about the first place is question mark warm question mark strong as well as question mark means generalized one. So the final version space for the specific angel sports is concept learning problem and training examples described in the area. So finally in this candidate elimination algorithm we are mainly concentrated on two examples, two things, especially about the, it is mainly focused on the, in both examples, that is about the positive example as well as negative examples. So, in this once I can repeat about the what we discussed today session. Means, we are discussed about the candidates elimination algorithm with training example, that is about the enjoy the water sport, based on the input parameters, the 6 input parameters, and it is comes as a final one. Means whereas come to the this final version of the final step of the candidate elimination algorithm, this is called specific one. This is called specific hypothesis. This one is called general hypothesis. In between, some hypothesis generated, that is about the version space. We can observe this one. Means, if these version space is generated from the combination of the generalized as well as specialized hypothesis. So, it is generalized, it is a version space hypothesis. And then, mainly in this candidate algorithm, once again divide this algorithm, candidate elimination algorithm. In this candidate elimination algorithm is mainly focused on as well as considered in positive example as well as negative example. Whereas come to the positive as well as negative examples. Whereas find a algorithm, we are only focused on find a algorithm. Means we are only focused on negative examples. Negative examples. Why? Because it only focus on the negative examples. Whereas come to the this find a algorithm, they are mainly focused on positive examples. Previous statement is wrong. Sorry. Means whenever you compare with this find a algorithm, we will focus on the positive examples. And then, but when you come to the candidate elimination algorithm, we are focused the positive as well as negative training examples. And one more concept is introduced in the find a candidate elimination algorithm, that is about the version space. That version space is nothing but plays a major role in candidate elimination algorithm, especially in between the generalized hypothesis as well as specialized hypothesis. Means this generalized hypothesis as well as specialized hypothesis is also part of the concept learning candidate elimination algorithm. And the version space play a major role at the final stage about the candidate elimination algorithm. That is about the, especially we discuss in elimination about the some hypothesis based on the some training examples, and elimination about the some training examples is that may be positive or maybe negative. But whereas come to the candidate elimination algorithm, it is discuss about the specific hypothesis as well as generalized hypothesis, and it is also focused on positive and negative training examples. Whereas come to the candidate elimination algorithm, the main advantage about the candidate elimination algorithm is it takes a consideration about the both elimination positive as well as negative. Why? Because it is a play a major role in general hypothesis analysis, and then it mainly focused on this issue. Candidate elimination is mainly it provides the analysis about the what type of the data sets are there, what type of the input values, what type of the training examples are there, either may be positive or negative. It must be considered on the hypothesis analysis, and it is also focused on the hypothesis. Either may be number of if any number of positive hypotheses are there, or if any number of negative hypotheses, even though it is try to analyze it, and give the generalized and give some output resulting about the, it is classified the general hypothesis to come one stage as well as specific hypothesis to come to the one place. But whereas come to the in between generalized as well as specialized hypothesis, some hypothesis are there, that is about the that hypothesis called version space hypothesis. The version space hypothesis contains the some hypothesis based on the hypothesis consistency or inconsistency. It is remove the some hypothesis from the version space. If it is not, if it is inconsistent, if the hypothesis is consistent, it is keep in the version space. Finally, once I can give you some conclude about the candidate elimination algorithm. Simple procedure about the whenever this candidate elimination algorithm is focused about the positive examples as well as negative examples, positive and negative training examples. But whereas come to the some condition, if the training example is positive, we can simply start from the specific hypothesis and move towards the generalized hypothesis, means about the top to bottom. First principle we can check it. You can keep in mind about the candidate elimination algorithm. And if training example is negative, it is reverse of the positive example. Means we can start the hypothesis analysis from the generalized and move towards the specific. It is called bottom to the top. And in between generalized as well as in between specialized as well as generalized, some space is there, some concept. That is about the version space. That version space is mainly focused on, it is hypothesis. That is about the adding the hypothesis and the removing the hypothesis. That is thing about the candidate elimination algorithm. So finally, we are finding, based on the candidate elimination algorithm, we are finding the generalized hypothesis and specialized hypothesis. In between generalized as well as specialized, we are once again we gather some version space hypothesis also. This version space hypothesis generated the multiplication about the specialized as well as generalized hypothesis. Means whenever we can multiply these two with this one, with this, these two are generated, and we can multiply this generalized with the this one. Means we can check it. We can this one. It is generated two more hypotheses. Means whenever we can observe this about the generalized hypothesis as well as specialized hypothesis, it must be have some relation in between generalized as well as specialized. So finally, the candidate elimination algorithm is concentrate on positive training examples as well as negative training examples, and it is also introduce new concept. There is a version space. The major place about the version space is the version space hypothesis is placed in between the specific hypothesis as well as generalized hypothesis, And then it is also focused on the main consistency as well as inconsistency hypothesis. If any hypothesis consistency, it follows some constant. That hypothesis is placed in the version space. If any hypothesis not constant, means about it is somewhat inconsistent, it may be a follow to the remove the hypothesis from the version space. That is thing about it. Thank you. Thank you. And
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.